If you got a sweet tooth, well, baby, we're going to make some delicious butterscotch coconut oatmeal cookies. OMG. It is so crispy on the outside, nice, soft, and chewy on the inside. Love, it just doesn't get any better than this. So hold on tight. Don't go nowhere because I'll be right back. So I am back to make these delicious butterscotch coconut oatmeal cookies. But loves, before anything, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press that notification bell for weekly updates on all of my recipes. Please don't forget to like and share, okay? Loves, let everybody know about Jackie's Cooking. My loves, these are ingredients for our cookies. We have some good old regular all-purpose flour. We have some oatmeal, instant oatmeal, you know, the one that you could cook in 1 minute, you know. And we got some butter, okay, good old butter. We have some cream cheese. Yes, we are putting some cream cheese into these cookies, okay. It's gonna be so good. We got some baking powder. We have baking soda, okay. We have some dark brown sugar. If you have light brown, fine, but I like the dark brown. Mix it nice and, I don't know, it gives me that more of a earthy taste. We need some salt. We need some regular white sugar. You're gonna need some sweetened coconut or unsweetened coconut, whichever, okay? We're gonna need some butterscotch chips. Okay, and you're going to need some vanilla, okay? And guys, I forgot to put it up here. You're gonna need some nutmeg, okay? And you're also gonna need some eggs, all right? So we are going to put this together and we're just gonna enjoy this, all right? We're just gonna have fun doing this. All right, my love, so we are combining our cream cheese, which is softened at room temperature, along with our butter, which is at room temperature, and we're going to cream that a little bit, and then we're going to start adding our sugars. We're going to add our dark brown sugar, okay? And the reason why I'm using the dark brown sugar is because I feel like it gives it more of a caramelly kind of a taste, okay? So that's why we're using the dark brown. All right, and my loves, don't worry, the ingredients are in the description box below. So now we're adding our regular white sugar. These cookies are so good. I mean, when I tested this recipe, it was just so good, but I had to pull back and make some adjustments to this recipe when I created it. But I think you guys are gonna love this. Now we're adding our eggs because our butter and sugar is nice and creamy, and we're gonna add our eggs one at a time. Okay, and guys, please do not forget to scrape your bowl down on the side, okay, because we want to ensure everything is well incorporated, okay? Okay, so now we're adding our vanilla. I want to add a good amount of vanilla to this, okay? These cookies, what I love about them is the fact that the duration of the time that you bake them, it creates that nice crispy exterior, and they're nice and chewy on the inside. And that's what I love about them. Okay, so you get both of both worlds. Okay, so now we are going to start mixing our dry ingredients. We have our flour. We're going to add our baking powder. And guys, at this time, you're also going to add your nutmeg. Okay, that nutmeg in this really, it makes a difference in these cookies. We're adding some baking soda, and then we're going to add some salt, okay? And we're going to mix those ingredients, those dry ingredients together, and we're going to set that to the side until we're ready to use it. Now, loves, at this time, we're going to bring down the speed of our mixer because we do not want flour flying all over the place, okay? So you want to bring down to low speed and you're going to add your flour. I just added everything all at once. Okay, that's what I did. Added all the flour in at once. Okay, make sure to stop it from time to time to scrape down the sides. Okay, and now we're adding our oatmeal. Okay, we're adding plenty of oatmeal in here. And guys, this dough, you don't have to make all these cookies at once. You could freeze some, the dough, Now we're adding our coconut. And now, guys, with the coconut, if you want to toast the coconut and let it cool before adding it to the batter, you could do that too. As a matter of fact, that'll just draw the oils out of the coconut and really, really bring out that flavor, okay? Now we're adding our butterscotch chips. Okay. When I did this recipe, I had to I've done this like 2 times. I had to revamp the recipe because at first I felt it was too sweet. Okay. So now, I feel like it's okay now because I pulled back on that sugar. So now we're taking our dough. And guys, before I had forgot to put the nutmeg in my flour mixture. But it didn't make a big difference anyway because I'm able to grate the nutmeg into the dough. It's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world, okay? So we're adding that nutmeg. Some people don't like nutmeg, but with these cookies, if you don't want it, fine. But I feel with these cookies, that little touch of nutmeg makes such a big difference. It's like a little note undertone in your palate. Okay, with that little hint of nutmeg, it's not overpowering, but you'll be like, oh, I taste that, it's there, but it's not overpowering. So we're just adding a nice little pinch of it, okay? So now I'm just speeding this process here, and I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees. I baked these cookies for at least 15 minutes because I wanted it to be nice and crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. So you could bake these between 12 to 15 minutes. 12 minutes if you really want it soft batch. But I think it's really cute if you bake it for 15 minutes because you'll get the best of both worlds. Okay, with the crispiness and your chewiness. Okay, these cookies are, oh my God, I'm so happy I came up with this. Oh, I love them. They're so, so, so good. I love butterscotch anyway. But here are delicious butterscotch coconut oatmeal cookies. They are so good, my loves. Like I said, it's nice and crispy on the outside and nice and chewy on the inside. They literally melt in your mouth. You could taste that delicious coconut, the delicious butterscotch chips. If you want to add some nuts to this as well, you can. Okay. I really enjoyed this. You can have this with a glass of milk. Okay. And you don't have to make the whole dough. Like I said, you can make some, wrap them up in a plastic wrap, divide the dough, freeze it. It should last in your fridge, I think 3 months, well wrapped. All right. But I definitely want you guys to try this recipe. Leave your comments. Okay. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Don't forget to press that notification bell, like, and share. Let everybody know about Jackie's cooking. So, my loves, before we go, I need you to do 3 things for me, and that's eat, love, and pray. See you next time.